What if I told you, the rich don't win because they're lucky. They win because they follow rules you were never taught. Silent rules, invisible rules, rules they never break. And the moment you break them, you stay poor. Not just poor in money, poor mindset, poor in power, poor in peace. Tonight, you're going to hear the truth most people learn too late. The first secret, they protect their mind. The average person wakes up and checks their phone. News, drama, other people's success, other people's opinions. The rich, they protect their mental space like a vault. Because they know something powerful. Your mind is your factory. If you feed it fear, it produces doubt. If you feed it gossip, produces distraction. If you feed it negativity, produces excuses. But if you feed it vision, produces strategy. They don't let random voices rent space in their head. They choose what they consume. Books over noise, focus over chaos, growth over comfort. And that silent discipline changes everything. The second secret, they respect time more than money. Poor people say, I'll do it tomorrow. Rich people say, why isn't it done yet? Time is the only currency you can't earn back. You can lose money and make it again. You can lose a job and find another. But lose a year? It's gone forever. The rich schedule their days like generals planning war. Every hour has a purpose. Every meeting has a goal. Every decision has a direction. They don't confuse being busy with being productive. Scrolling isn't progressing. Complaining isn't a strategy. Waiting isn't planning. They move, fast, decisive, focused, because they understand. If you don't control your time, someone else will. The third secret, they don't chase money, they build value. This is where most people get it wrong. They chase cash, quick wins, shortcuts, but the rich chase value. They ask one question every day. How can I become more useful, more skillful, more knowledgeable, more reliable? Because money follows value like a shadow. Think about it. The world pays for solutions, pays for clarity, pays for results. When you become rare, you become expensive. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If your income is low, your value in the market is low. Not your worth as a human, but your economic value. The rich don't take that personally. They upgrade, learn more, practice more, fail more, adapt faster. They don't blame the system, they master it. The fourth secret, they stay emotionally calm. This one is dangerous, because emotions destroy more wealth than bad investments. One angry decision,
One ego-driven move,
one impulsive purchase, and years of progress disappear. The rich train emotional control. They don't panic about losses. They don't celebrate too early in wins. They don't argue to feel powerful. They think long-term. When others react, they respond. When others quit, they calculate. When others explode, they stay silent. Silence is power. Because when you control your emotions, you control your direction. And direction determines destiny. The fifth secret, they play the long game. This is the rule most people break. They want fast success, overnight growth, instant results. But wealth is slow, silent, patient. The rich think in decades, not days. They plant seeds knowing they won't eat the fruit tomorrow. They invest when it's boring. They work when it's quiet. They build when nobody is watching. And while others chase trends, they build foundations. That's why it looks sudden. But it's never sudden. It's years of invisible discipline, years of saying no, years of learning, years of failing privately. By the time the world notices, the work is already done. The turning point. Now here's the part that hurts. Most people know these rules. They've heard them before, but they don't follow them consistently. Because comfort is addictive. Excuses are easy. Distraction is everywhere. Discipline is rare. The rich are not superhuman. They just refuse to break these silent codes. They guard their mind. They respect their time. They build value. They control emotions. They think long-term, over and over again, even when it's boring, even when it's hard. even when no one claps. Final message, emotional close. One day you'll wake up. 5 years will have passed. And you'll either say, I'm proud of who I became, or, I knew what to do, but I didn't do it. What's the difference? It's in the silent decisions you make every single day. Not the big moments. Not the lucky breaks. Not the dramatic opportunities. The small disciplines. Repeated daily. So ask yourself tonight, which rules are you breaking? And which ones will you protect? Starting now. Because wealth isn't just money. It's control. It's freedom. It's peaceful. And the door has always been unlocked. You just have to choose to walk through it